We always admire the German technology and German manufacturing. We believe it's the best in the world, and we believe that HOMAG is the leaders in the wood manufacturing business. We've always wanted the best, and whenever we've bought a HOMAG machine, we've never regretted that purchase. Currently we produce high-end commercial fit-out work. We do a little bit of domestic work. Our showroom is pretty much all the joinery that we've built that we use day in, day out, from the exterior staircase feature, elevator shaft, to the suspended boardroom that we're sitting in now, all the way to our office workstation desks, ceiling features, even the current lighting features that we have today, we've built them as well. We predominantly produce, obviously, batch size 1. We are custom bespoke joiners, so every piece of furniture that we do is drawn by an architect usually. Every material is usually different on every project, so we have to understand a lot of different materials. Our systems and our machines have to handle a variety of different materials, and it's all made specifically for that client at that point in time. With the integrated cell technology, we're able to hold a lot more variety of materials and change very quickly. And the offcut can be put back into the storage system for later use. It doesn't get damaged. We know exactly what material we have, what offcuts we have. We can reutilise those offcuts whenever we need to for other elements of the project. And it gives us a lot more flexibility in how we produce. Where we had 2 CNC machines in the past without the cell, we're getting at least 30–40% more production out of those machines once it's been integrated into a cell. ERP software is basically a database. It queries the SQL database on the wood store, and we have a live view in our business operations software, our ERP, on what we have available and what materials are being used for what jobs, so we can cost those jobs very accurately. We know what's in the storeroom, and we know what materials are required in the future based off what jobs we have coming through. If you don't automate and don't invest in that technology, you end up going backwards. And in today's time, you end up going backwards very, very quickly. Before you know it, your competitor's 30–40% more efficient than what you are, and you can't compete anymore in price.